Very good evening to one and all. This video is for class 9th standard biology and the topic is health and hygiene. So we are going to start a new chapter today, that is health and hygiene. So today is just the introduction of the chapter. So first of all, we will know what is health. So a health means a proper physical, mental and social well-being. A proper physical, mental and social well-being is called as health. Means if a person is physically fit but mentally unfit and socially unfit, that person won't be considered as an healthy person. Now, if a person is mentally fit but physically and socially unfit, the person is not considered to be as fit. If a person is physically and mentally fit but socially unfit, that person won't be considered as a fit person. Means for a person to be very much healthy, the person has to complete these three criteria, that is physical, mental and social well-being. All the three criteria must be fulfilled. If the person is well from all the three sides, that is physically, mentally and socially, that person would be considered as a healthy person. Now, what is hygiene? Hygiene means cleanliness. How we are cleaning ourselves personally and how we are cleaning the public. Means not the public exactly, means our environment, how we are cleaning the outside area and how we are personally clean, how much we are cleaning ourselves personally. Now here two things we need to see: whether we are personally clean or not, means whether we are taking regular bath or not, whether we are trimming our nails or not properly. That is the part of primary health, that is the personal cleanliness. And public means if at all any dirt is there, we should, if at all any kind of dump of garbage or here and there the non-disposable wastes are lying down, some wastes are medicinal waste, some wastes are hospital wastes are lying down, how much we are taking care to inform to the municipal corporation, or how much we are doing the initiative by us so as to resolve this matter. This is hygiene. Hygiene means cleanliness, not only personally but also publicly, that is outside our home also. Now, next one is, first one, that is the significance of health. What is significance? Means importance. What is the importance of health? If we are healthy, first of all, if we are healthy, we are leading a very good life and we are enjoying our life. After all, a well-known proverb is there: a healthy mind stays in a healthy body. Means if our body is healthy, our brain is healthy. If our brain is healthy, we can do day-to-day creative work. We can enjoy our life to the fullest. We can move ahead. We are having a bright career ahead. An unhealthy person's life is very much miserable. He or she cannot do whatever he or she wants because there is a lot of restriction for the particular person. For an unhealthy person, that's the reason why health must be very much important and health must be given as a first criteria always. So importance of a healthy life or importance of a good health is that we are having a good amount of proper immune system in our body, we are having a good amount of diet in our body, we are having a good amount of healthy life ahead, not only today but ahead also, if at all we are maintaining our life in a nice way. Now, first of all, we will see this is what the significance of health. If at all we are healthy, we can go here and there, we are not having any problem, we are not allergic to anything, or we are not allergic to certain weather conditions. Even the weather conditions, change in the weather or conditions also will not affect us. Now, the next is value and benefits of good health. So when we are having a good health, benefits of good health is that we will not get sick very easily. We will not get ill very easily. We will enjoy our life to the fullest. We can do whatever we want in our life. We can go here and there. So we can enjoy the life till the fullest. And when our health is good, then automatically our brain will be good. We will have ideas of good thoughts. We will have good ideas. We will have good thoughts. As well as we can lead a very good life ahead. Means that if at all we are having a good health, no, it will create us a different positive aura within ourselves. A different positive energy will be created in our body, which will allow us to do good works with a nice creativity. We can take responsibilities, we can take nice initiatives, as well as we can do a very good job ahead in our career also. In whichever field we are, we can do very nice. Why? Because we are healthy and we are very much strong enough to build our career. We are strong enough to build our society. We are strong enough to build our nation. That is what the value of a good health. Now, first, next, after this, the value and benefits of good health, we must see the personal hygiene. We must see 2 points today, since it is just an introductory class on health and hygiene. So we will see today personal and the public hygiene. So first of all, the personal hygiene. Personal hygiene, first here in personal hygiene, under the topic personal hygiene, first thing what comes is the cleanliness. What is cleanliness? Cleanliness means neatness. How much personally we are neat and clean, whether we are taking regular bath or not, whether we are trimming our nails or not, as well as whether we are taking care of our whole body or not. Bath means proper bath, means we have to use soap daily. We have to use the shampoos either alternately, or else if we are having the problem of dandruff and all, we can use it regularly, after all taking a medical prescription. Now, so first of all, cleanliness. We must trim our nails. We must see that whether any kinds of problem in our skin or not, whether we are feeling healthy or not, everything we need to take care of. And we should not scratch, for example, in the teenage, this video is especially for 9th standard, so you are in your teenage. So what happens, you are getting a lot of pimples and all, and people are having the habit to scratch those. Please don't do it, because it's an unhealthy habit, very unhealthy habit. So the moment you are scratching the pimples, the microorganisms will come out of it, and what will happen, it will destroy the other area of your skin, and in the other place you will get the pimples. That's the reason why we must take care of all these things. Apart from this, whatever we are seeing in our day-to-day life about cleanliness, people thinks that wearing neat and clean clothes is a matter of cleanliness. Of course it is, but apart from that, there are several more things. First of all, taking bath regularly, trimming off your nails, no need to wear and tear with the pimples and all. If there is acne and all, no need to poke it. Of course not. Next, no need to put unnecessarily the fingers in the ears as well as in the nose. No need to touch the teeth by fingers, or else even if the teeth is having some problem, you're having pain and all, please go and consult a doctor. No need to pierce it with the tongue. Even don't try to make the teeth painful with your tongue, because tongue is a muscular organ. The more you will, if at all you're having a pain in the teeth, and more you are penetrating with it to your tongue, then it will worsen your problem more and more you will be getting the problem. Now, what happens is, even some people's what they are doing, especially when they are getting very much old, or when they are getting tired, what they are doing is, after eating the food, they will not rinse their mouth. Rinse their mouth means taking the water in the mouth and then pouring it out. No. Some people are not doing it, but this is a very bad habit, because whatever food you are eating by your mouth. So each and every time we are eating the food, we must rinse our mouth properly. We must flush our mouth thoroughly with water and then pour that water out. Then only it will be a good thing. Apart from this, we are having physical exercise. Every day at least half an hour of physical exercise, like running, back bending, some push-ups is necessary. The exercise is very much limited. Means, for example, a teenager is doing the exercise, no need to lift up heavy weight. Only the free hand exercises. Hand must be free. Just go for back bending, some push-ups, jogging. These are all the exercises you can do. But at the same time, if at all you want to build your body, then you have to go to gym and all to stay very much fit. That is the reason why exercise is necessary. At home also you can do half an hour, 15 minutes to half an hour of exercise is enough to keep you healthy every day. Next is proper rest. After having a work, we need rest. Our body needs rest. That is, that we need a sleep. At least 6 to 8 hours of sleep for adult is necessary. But when we are talking about infants, children, they need more sleep for the proper development and for the proper digestion of the food. Now, avoiding bad habits, smoking, drinking, chewing tobacco, gutkhas and all, we must avoid it. Those who are doing, I'm telling, please avoid it. Why? Because it is not only causing damage to your mouth, teeth and tongue, but also it is worsening your food pipe, lungs, intestine, wherever it is going, it is making that organ very much damage. Smoking can cause lungs cancer. Alcohol, more amount of drinking can cause liver cirrhosis, liver cancer. So a lot of problems may appear. Now, Regular medical checkup. Of course, regular medical checkup is necessary. That if a person is well or not, we need to go for a medical checkup. At least once in a year, medical checkup is necessary. At least once in a year, if the person is staying healthy thoroughly throughout the whole year, once in a year, medical checkup is enough. Of course. Now, public hygiene. A very important topic. This is what about personal hygiene we have discussed. Now the thing comes about public hygiene. What is public hygiene? How we are maintaining our society clean. How much we are taking care of our society. What is the society is doing outside. What is our main motto, that what kind of garbage or any kind of waste which should not be thrown, but it is thrown near our house, because of that mosquito is breeding. So what happens? First of all, removal of garbage. First thing, we have to remove the garbage. Waste should not be deposited. There must be a proper place where the waste should be dumped. That must be outside the city, outside the town, or outside the village, where there should not be any population or any human inhabitant. Now, proper drainage means if the drains are not proper, then the wastewater will be collected, and from it different kinds of microorganisms, mosquitoes, flies will produce, and it will cause a lot of diseases, and it will make the whole locality sick, very sick. Even each and every human being will become a lot of sick. Now, clean drinking water. Of course, if the drinking water is not at all good, it is contaminated with viruses and bacteria, then surely it will cause a lot of problem in the stomach, in the lungs, and in all the delicate organs, whatever is there inside our body. Now, apart from that, when the old age comes, if a person is healthy in his or her youth, that person's old age will be good. Why? Because that person will be very much healthy in the old age. Why? Because once in their youth they were healthy, so it will be maintained till the old age. Because a person, when he or she practices the healthy habits, it has become a regular practice, and that practice is becoming an experience in the old age. So they will continue to do so, and they will keep themselves healthy because it's a regular habit for them. That's the reason why it is said, if at all in your youth you have maintained a good hygiene, good cleanliness, good healthy habits, then surely at your old age also you will be very much relaxed, because you have practiced lots of good activities and a lot of good healthy activities in your life. That's the reason why. Apart from that, whenever we are talking about public hygiene, there are lots of things. First of all, we need to educate our society. We need to take an initiative by ourselves. Everything is not depending. We are telling that, okay, these things the particular person shall come and do. The particular person from a different place should come and they will do certain activities. Then only the society will be educated. Never. We should take some initiative. We should go to the houses and we should give some knowledge about basic diseases like cholera, malaria. These are all the diseases where it can become a pandemic disease. It can become a pandemic disease. Why? Because if at all a place is dirty, so we don't know what kind of germs that particular place is holding up. So what happens if at all we are giving a proper education to the certain group of people? Now a certain group of people becomes educated, then they will practice the good healthy habits by seeing them, because human learns by learning. Human learns by learning and by seeing. How the human learns? They will learn first by seeing and then by learning the same method. So humans are having a nature to copy the things. So what happens if a person is practicing good habits, the other person will also try to do so, and then sure and certainly practically we can create a healthy society. Now, apart from that, whenever we are talking about the disposal of things, disposal of the unhealthy things in our surroundings, we must have a proper way of doing it. We must have a proper way of doing it. And if at all it is not being done, then there will be a lot of problem around. So I hope you can go through this video. Please do see the video, as well as if at all any doubts, you please ask. Thanks a lot.